Welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, a boat stationed at the north of a lighthouse is making an angle of 30 degrees with the top of the lighthouse. Simultaneously, another boat stationed at the east of the same lighthouse is making an angle of 45 degrees with the top of the lighthouse. What will be the shortest distance between these two boats? The height of the lighthouse is 300 feet. Assume both the boats are of negligible dimensions. So height of the lighthouse is given to be 300 feet. Boat 1 is at north of lighthouse and makes an angle of 30 degrees with the top of lighthouse. Let the distance between boat 1 and lighthouse be x feet. Therefore, tan 30 degrees is equal to 300 by x. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is 300 by x. X is equal to 300 into root 3 feet. Now, boat 2 is at the east of the lighthouse and makes an angle of 45 degrees with the top of lighthouse. So let the distance between boat 2 and lighthouse be y feet. So therefore, tan 45 degrees is equal to 300 by y. So now tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 is equal to 300 by y, and from here we get y to be equal to 300 feet. Now, the shortest distance between these two boats would be, so say this is the lighthouse, this is boat 2 which is at the east, and this is boat 1 which is north. Now let us label these points. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So lighthouse, boat 2 and boat 1. Now this distance is 300 root 3 and this is 300. So the shortest distance would be the hypotenuse. Now we know that AB squared plus AC squared is equal to BC squared. So BC is equal to root over 300 root 3 squared plus 300 squared, which is equal to 600 feet. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, two different quadratic equations have a common root. Let the three unique roots of the two equations be a, b and c. All of them are positive integers. If a plus b plus c equals 41 and the product of the roots of one of the equations is 35, which of the following options is definitely correct? Now we have been given that sum of roots a plus b plus c equals 41 and the product of roots of one of the equations is 35. Therefore, b into c is equal to 35 into 1 or 7 into 5. Now if BC is equal to 35, 1, we get A to be 41 minus 35 minus 1, which is 5. Now if BC is 7, 5, we get A equal to 41 minus 7 minus 5, that is 29. In both the cases, one of the root is definitely 5. So the correct option is option C.